Avocado is sometimes known as the alligator pear because of the texture of its skin and its pear-like shape. The avocado contains a good supply of carotene, there being 3 times as much in a well-colored ripe fruit as in a hard one. Analysts have found no less than 11 vitamins and 17 minerals in avocado, making it a very comprehensive storehouse of the nutritional needs of man. There is a high level of oil which contains the vitamins A, D, and E, and is rich in the mono-unsaturated fat oleic acid. This type of fat is the principal constituent of olive oil, which is rapidly gaining credence for preventing of heart disease. Although the calorie count of the avocado is large, there being 165 calories in LOOG or 40Z, it is of excellent nutritional worth. The avocado is also rich in vitamin 86, with an impressive 530 micrograms per LOOG 40Z. There is evidence that the leaves and fruits of the avocado have been shown to contain a substance known to be somewhat toxic to goats, rabbits, horses and canaries. There is no evidence that there is any danger to man, but for the sake of prudence it is best to have no more than 1 avocado a day, whether juiced or fresh. Happily, the fate of the unfortunate canary need not affect the use of avocado juice in the therapy, because the best effect is found when the juice is employed as an external application to the skin. Avocado juice is a good way of having a balanced quantity of the oil of avocado. The oil is second only to lanolin in being the most penetrating oil known when applied to the human skin. Yet, unlike lanolin, which is thought by many experts to be the cause of more cases of sensitivity to cosmetics than any other ingredient, avocado is emollient and innocuous without any known sensitizing effects. It can therefore be used externally as the ideal treatment for soothing sensitive skins. Avocado reduces ultraviolet light and is a useful sun screening lotion for use prior to moderate exposure to the sunrise.